Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to be unboxing our new vacuum cleaner from Hoover.
The Henry Quick, and we've just collected it from where?
From Argos at Cambridge.
Argos, Cambridge. Excellent, but we had a bit of a problem where the box wasn't great. So this seal was off, and the seal on this side was also a bit kind of broken, and the box itself was quite torn, although these two seals were intact. And the box on this side it's really badly torn. So we showed it to the guy and said, and we opened it and checked it to see if everything is there, and everything seemed to be inside, right, Hamdan?
Yep.
So it looked quite new, so it looked new, so we thought we will take it, and if there's a problem we'll have to return it. So we just take off the seals again,
and then you have to lift this up,
and that's where all the stuff is.
Okay, so we'll just start off with the book.
You got the manual, okay, and then you've got the pull.
You have the big long pull.
And that is, we're going to take it off.
So you can just take it out.
It doesn't look like it's been used or anything.
Because it's a shiny red.
Cool, yeah. So keep that on one side. We've got the 26 extra pods.
Yep. So that has 10x. This also has 10.
It's 10. 10. Did that say 26? Oh, there's a few here.
Yep. So there's 10, 10.
20.
And then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and one inside the vacuum cleaner.
Yep.
Okay, so now here are some extra parts that you can use instead of the long stick.
Yep, this is the holder. And I think they've started giving you a freshener that you have to put in.
Yes, but you don't have to. So let's just keep them all
on one side.
And then pull down.
And what have we got here is the main item.
So that is the brush.
That's the main piece of the brush. This looks a bit worn. Does it? Do you think it's
No, because you cannot make everything perfect.
Right, okay. Let's give it that down. It does look like it's been moved around. How does the brush look? Oh, the brush looks a bit dirty. Yeah. It does look a bit dirty, doesn't it? So it could be that this is a returned item. You've got the plug socket. In here. And the plug socket looks okay. It's the UK plug.
Yep.
Then you've got the battery. Which is in here. And then the other main part, which is the big piece.
Yep. So it has one part inside.
And this is how you release the pod.
Yep, and then you should be able to take out the pod.
It falls off.
Yep.
You clip it back.
Yep.
Okay.
And where does the freshener go?
The freshener goes inside here. There we go. It's in there.
Yep.
And we close that. Here's the power button.
Yep. But first, what does this need?
It needs to be charged.
Yep.
So we're going to charge it and then see how it works.
Okay, and did we forget two
So
pieces
we've
over
got
here?
a couple of pieces. This is the one that extends the handle. So we've got to figure out how we fix this. Oh, yeah, I think it comes off this way. And then you connect it on.
Okay, and what is this piece?
That's the wall mount. So we've got a wall mount that. That goes, I believe, something like this. You've got to try and figure this out. This goes on the wall.
Yep.
Alright, and that's all.
Yep. Thank you for watching this video of me and Daddy unboxing our new Henry
Stick, Henry Quick.
Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.